Rosanna Golf Club, we have 1,000 members. We have 30 plus employees that rely on the golf club for employment and enjoyment. As the general manager of Rosanna Golf Club, it's actually quite sad to drive in here on a daily basis with nobody here. Our golf club's based around people coming down here and working and enjoying the place. The following footage is some footage we've shot over the last week which details the work that's been done out in the course. The course is still looking great, which is the number one reason we're here. We look forward to seeing you all, and please stay in contact with each other.